If you're a true chocoholic, then you will adore this next recipe. Creamy and rich in flavor, and at the same time airy and full of chocolatey aroma. This chocolate mousse always leaves me speechless. First, melt the chocolate and butter in a bowl over a pot with simmering water. Stir well and allow it to cool while preparing the other ingredients. In a deep bowl on the side, break the eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. Using a hand mixer, start to beat the egg whites in the bowl with gradually adding the powdered sugar. Whisk until stiff peaks form. When you turn the bowl over, the meringue should not move. Set aside. Whisk the egg yolks in a bowl over simmering water and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the whole mixture is frothy. Allow to cool completely. Next, add the melted chocolate and butter to the bowl with cooked egg yolks and stir with the help of a spatula. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the whipped meringue and mix well to form the base of the mousse. Next, add half of the remaining meringue and carefully stir the mixture. Be careful not to over-mix the mixture, because if you do, you will lose all the air, and what we want is airy and fluffy chocolate mousse. Add the remaining whipped meringue and mix carefully. In a mixing bowl, add the heavy cream or milk with whipping cream bags and mix until stiff peaks form. Transfer the chocolate mixture into the whipped cream and mix gently. Transfer the mixture evenly to a serving cups and leave the mousse to cool in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours. Before serving, decorate each glass with lightly whipped cream, fresh strawberries, and grated chocolate. Who wouldn't want such a decadent dessert? Don't wait, prepare the ingredients and together with me in your kitchen prepare this chocolate dessert. The full list of the ingredients you will find in the description box down below, and for a lot more videos coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.